Hello and welcome back to my channel. This here is just the same thing, a 30mm Ditra install. And also I'll be doing a waterproofing system on my shower. So this here, I'm just installed, like again, if you watch my videos, just pre-roll everything, wet the floor down a section and install with your Ditra trowel. So here's flashing. Right here, I'm just putting a bead on. It's curdy board, and I'm going to put in my base first before I start doing all my curdy the next day. So what I do is I use Ultra Flex on the bottom, so I'll get a good bond with my 4-to-1 cement. Okay, so now what I'm doing is putting my curdy corners all over the place, and my curdy band right on top of that. These are my outside corners. It's actually a lot better to have a curdy niche, but when I arrived on this job, the framer did it this way, which is really not a no. You shouldn't really do that because it sticks everything out when you start putting more curdy band and all that kind of stuff. So alright, well, I'm getting pretty close to this. Just like I said, like on all my videos, just be patient and take your time. Make sure that you get all the bubbles out. So when you apply that, roll it up and just roll it on that line. And then start from the center and work your way out with your trowel, a flat trowel, just to get all the bubbles out. Alright, this is the last piece. And there we go. And always run a curdy band down the corner there. And put your corner beads on here as well. There we go. This is an outside corner. Okay. You always put a band from your shower base onto your Ditra, and the reason why we do that is so, say if you come out with your feet and it's wet, you don't get any water going into the seams. It's just an extra precaution, and it's worth it. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye.